Hey, so this is a tutorial slash demonstration for my new Blender Render notification add-on. Essentially, all it does is when your render is finished or has been cancelled, it'll send you an email letting you know that your render has ended. So first, to get this add-on, just head over to the Gumroad page. I'll put the link in the description and download it. So quickly, before we open this into Blender, there's two small steps we need to complete first. Head over to a Gmail account creation page, again I'll put the link in the description, and create an email for the alerts to be sent to. I'll explain why this is necessary in the next step. After this, we need to go to the Google Less Secure Apps button, the link is also in the description, and make sure the box is checked. The reason we've done this is because Gmail will try and stop emails being automatically sent from your Gmail account. So to stop this, we need to check the Less Secure Apps button. This is why we need to make a new account, because obviously I wouldn't recommend making your personal account less secure. So now that's done, we need to head over to Blender and we can install the add-on. Like any other add-on, you'll need to go to your Edit, Preferences, Install, find out where it's been downloaded to, and just press Install Add-on. Check the box, and then you can close this window. Press N to open the side panel, and you'll see the Render Alerts panel is right there, without any other add-on you've installed. Fill in the boxes for the Gmail account we've just created. And finally, hit refresh. That's it. Now, when your render has finished, an email will be sent to this account letting you know that it's done. At any time, you can just uncheck the boxes, hit refresh again, and it'll stop sending you the emails when the render is finished.